Good morning students. Myself Ranjana Misra taking the class of biology. Today we learn the structure of a plant. Here we learn the structure of a plant cell. You know the cell is the basic functional unit of life. Cell was first of all discovered by Robert Hooke in 1965. He saw in microscope a brick-like structure found in cell. Here we see the microscopic structure of a plant cell. The main part of a cell are cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. The outer part of this structure is cell wall. This structure is cell wall, and inner part of the cell is called cell membrane. Cell wall having cell membrane and cell membrane having the cellulose in plant cell. This is rectangular in shape. This structure is rectangular in shape. Second part, we learn the cytoplasm. In inner part of the cell membrane, there is found the cytoplasm of the cell. The cytoplasm having different cell organelles. These organelles are such as mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus. And these parts are so here, that part is chloroplast, that part is vacuoles and that part is mitochondria. These parts are having different specific functions. These functions enlarge the work of the cell. You also know the different types of the cell organelles having a specific work. That means the mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of the cell, chloroplast is the kitchen of the cell, nucleus is the center of the cell, and the mitochondria converted the ADP into ATP, means adenosine diphosphate into adenosine triphosphate. Chloroplast having the presence of full sunlight, the plant make the food. Vacuoles having large amount of water in supporting the cell in liquid form, and having different types of inorganic and organic substances. The third part is nucleus. Nucleus contain different types of part. First, nuclear membrane, second, nucleoplasm, third, nucleolus, and fourth, chromatin fibers. Here we see the structure. This part is the nuclear membrane. Total part is nucleolus, and the nucleus having different parts. First part nuclear membrane, second part nucleoplasm, third part nucleolus, and fourth part chromatins. These nucleus having the endoplasmic reticulum, it's having the ribosomes. Again we learn the cell is divided into three parts: cell membrane, cytoplasm and nucleus. All the parts having a specific function, and in this way we learn here the structure of a plant cell. Thank you so much.